Wavetec is an international company. We develop and manufacture solutions to improve the customer experience in the physical spaces. COVID-19 has made a bigger importance to this. We're now working with retail store chains, banks, government institutions across Europe, Middle East, South America, Africa. Dubai helps us. This is our main distribution hub. Today we export to over 70 countries. In 2013, we got ranked number 2 in Dubai SME 100 list. In 2017, we got recognized by the Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum Innovation Award. Recently, we launched WhatsApp queuing. Wavetec is the first company globally to launch this solution. You reach a store, you scan a QR, and then you can follow your position in the queue through the WhatsApp. It helps to control the occupancy limits. It's a cloud-based solution that makes it very easy for us to deploy it fast, and it's been so far a great success.